So we just bought this beautiful mandarin tree from Bunnings today. It looks healthy, the leaves are green and the roots look good in the pot. Now the next step is transplanting it into the garden. But before planting citrus trees like mandarins, this is one very important thing we should check first. How well does the soil drain? Citrus trees really don't like sitting in wet soil. So before we plant this tree, I'll show you exactly what we do. Now, it's simply a very simple test you can do by just simply digging a hole and filling it up with water. Hello, I'm Nora and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we do daily videos talking about our gardening journey here in Australia. So if you are interested in this kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. So why does this test work so beautifully and why is it important? Mandarin trees, specifically, they need soil that holds moisture but still drains well. So if the soil stays too wet, the roots can suffocate, the root rot can develop, the leaves will also turn yellow, and the growth will slow down gradually. So this quick test can really help you to understand whether the soil is suitable or not, or if it needs any improvement. So step one is simply digging the hole. So first, I need you to dig a hole where you want to plant the mandarin tree. The hole should be about 30 to 40 centimeters deep and 30 to 40 centimeters wide. And this is roughly the depth where the young roots will grow. Now you can also test how the soil handles water. So you're going to fill the hole completely with water and then watch how long it takes for the water to disappear. And this simple step tells us whether the soil drains well or not. And if the water disappears within 30 minutes to an hour, your soil drains quickly. And this often means sandy soil. And that's generally really good for citrus, although adding compost will really also help the soil hold moisture better. So you can do that trick as well. If the water drains in about 1 to 3 hours, this is ideal. The soil holds some moisture and also it's not overlogged. So this type of soil works very well for citrus trees. Now, if the water stays in the hole for many hours or even the next day, this means the soil drains poorly. And this usually means clay soil. Planting citrus directly into this type of soil will cause problems for the roots. So here is the solution for this problem. So sometimes when you dig, you add water, the soil becomes sticky or muddy. So this simply means that the soil is likely contains a lot of clay, and clay soil holds water for a long time and can become compacted. Citrus roots prefer soil that is loose and well aerated. So here's how to fix muddy soil. If the soil becomes muddy, you can always do a couple of important strategies to improve it in just a simple few ways. Number one is adding organic material. So you can go ahead and mix compost or well-rotted manure into the soil. What that does is it helps to break up heavy clay and improves drainage. Another thing that you could do is plant slightly raised. So instead of planting the mandarin tree deep into the ground, you can plant it slightly above the surrounding soil level. And this will allow excess water to drain away from the roots. Step number 3 is to add mulch, because after planting you can go ahead and add a layer of mulch around the tree, and mulch here helps to do 3 things. It helps to keep the soil moisture stable, it also helps to improve soil structure over time, and also protect the young roots. So just keep mulch away from the trunk, but it is really helpful once you start to add it to around the tree. So now that the soil is ready, you can go ahead and plant the tree. You're going to carefully remove the mandarin tree from the pot, gently loosen the roots if they're air tightly packed, and then place the tree in the hole. Fill the hole with improved soil, and you're going to water the tree deeply so the soil settles around the roots. And before planting any citrus trees, just go ahead and check your soil drainage first, because a simple hole and water test can save you a lot of trouble later on. Healthy roots will always result in a stronger tree and better fruiting as well. And if you are growing citrus at home, let me know in the comment section below what type of citrus trees are you planting. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have an amazing, great day. All the best.